what's up you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's me, Taylor, and today I have a super exciting video for you guys. I've been wanting to film this for so long. Today I'm going to be showing you guys a full tutorial on everything that you can do with the app picsart. Picsart is a free app for iPhone, and I'm pretty sure that you can get it on Android as well, and it's seriously one of the best apps you can ever use for like photo editing. Not like VSCO type photo editing, but like, I don't mean like Photoshop or what's that called? Facetune, not like that, but like really fun, creative, cool edits, like different backgrounds, text, stuff like that. But basically picsart is an amazing app. You can make cutouts. There's a ton of different sticker options on there, little graphic images. They have different filters, lens flares. You can doodle on your photos. You can add text. You can add in other photos. There's literally just so much you can do with picsart, and it's one of my top apps. There will be a link in the description box to download picsart, as well as a link to my tutorials playlist where I have a ton of other social media hacks, social media tips, graphic design tips, digital illustration tutorials, and all sorts of stuff like that. I make these type of videos all the time, so if you're interested in that, feel free to subscribe and check out that playlist down below. But anyways, let's get into talking about picsart. Alright, here we go, y'all. Here I am about to open my app, picsart, and we're going to make a fun edit of no one other than Miss Emma Chamberlain herself. Okay, so here's a picture of gorgeous Emma Chamberlain, and I'm going to show you all the different effects that picsart has. They have so many different effects. Literally, I'm going to show you all of them here. We're going to make a wild, crazy edit of Miss Emma Chamberlain because I have to show you guys like every single thing that I do on Canva. So this picture is going to be pretty crazy by the time we finish. But yeah, I'm just showing you guys all the different filters they have. They have some like film filters that are really cool. And then this one, it works better with like not a picture like this, but like if you ever see people do those line drawings, that's how they do them. There's some ones that like take the focus. I think that's really cool. It like makes it look like it's like spinning or something. A lot of them like that, like blurry. I know like blurry like pictures are kind of like in right now. It's kind of like a vibe, but I'm just showing you guys all of those. This one is very on brand for Emma Chamberlain. I think honestly she should post this. I don't know, Emma, if you're watching this, I think you should post this. Okay, sorry. Now we're going to get a bit crazy. You're going to press stickers at the bottom. This is one of the best things ever invented, okay? They have so, like, thousands of random things. I'm just searching up coffee because, relatable. And I'm scrolling. Look at this one I found. Okay, watch what I do. I'm going to press the erase tool at the top. Okay, well, first I'm lowering the opacity. Then I'm pressing the erase tool. And I'm zooming in and I'm just, like, erasing all of the coffees that are over, like, her body. And now we have Emma Chamberlain with a background of Dunkin' Donuts coffee. Like, can I get a brand deal? An Emma Chamberlain x Dunkin' Donuts coffee brand deal? This photo would be perfect for it. I'm just saying. Now I'm going to do something a little more chill. We're just going to look up cats, because as we know, Emma Chamberlain has a cat. And I'm just picking a nice photo of a cute little cat, putting it in the corner. Look at that. It just adds so much personality to the picture. I'm just saying. Next, I'm going to teach you the best tip ever. You're going to press cutout at the bottom and then outline, and then do an outline of, you know, whoever's in the picture, and press the little arrow, and then you can kind of fix any. It does it like automatically, then you can like adjust it and make it a little bit better because it's not always that accurate. And now you have a complete like outline PNG of Emma. You can do that with any picture. I think that's so helpful. That's one of the best top tips of social media history, truly. Obviously you can make it look better than this. This one looks really bad. It's all messed up on the sides, but you can make it look better. Now we're going to be adding some text. Oh, I love picsart's text options. They have a bunch of different fonts that you can choose from, but what I really like to focus on picsart is the color options. If you go to this gradient tool right here, you can make the text 2 colors, and it like blends it like an ombre together. Like, how cool, how sick. I love it. Now this is going to change your life. Press add photo, and you're going to get some crazy background off of Pinterest. I decided to go with this My Little Pony, very mystical background. We're going to lower the opacity. We're going to press the erase tool at the top and erase where Emma is. Boom. Emma is in a My Little Pony mystical wonderland. You can do this with any photo. You can put Emma in space, you can put her in Jamaica, you can put her in Australia, anything. It's truly groundbreaking. I'm just going around and like fixing the edges with like the restore tool and the erase tool. It takes a while to like gotta get it right, but I just did a really rough edit for you guys in this video. You get the idea. Next, I'm going to click on brushes, and I'm just going to do a little doodle or two for you guys, a little love, peace, and happiness, okay? Just wholesome vibes all around. But yeah, you can doodle anything on the photos, just FYI. So I added back on the cat and the coffee little doodle things, and I'm going to show you the borders. Okay, we can make a nice border on here. I know Emma Chamberlain actually does this on her coffee Instagram. She has like the rounded white borders. I think they're a whole vibe. Okay, I love it. So in her honor, I did do that as well in this picture. You can also add some lens flares if you want to get crazy. I didn't, but this is my favorite thing. It's called masking the photo, and you can add like these cool like light effects on the photo. It makes it look like she's like underwater or like in the sunlight or something, and I just think it's so fun. Like, look at these vibes. They are immaculate, if I may say so myself. So that's all of the different features that I like to use on picsart, and this is how the picture turned out. I think it's absolutely stunning and gorgeous. Okay, this is actually a joke. Like, obviously the picture doesn't like look good or anything. Like, I'm just kidding, but okay, I just had to show you all the effects. Okay, so this is how it came out. And here's our gorgeous finished product. Make sure you guys send this photo to Emma so she can make it her profile picture on all of her social media. Okay, I'm just kidding. But in this video, we learned how to put Emma in a mystical My Little Pony wonderland, how to put cat and coffee stickers on the picture. We did a little peace, love, happiness doodle. We did an ombre text effect, and we learned how to recreate the iconic Emma Chamberlain Coffee Company rounded border. I think it's absolutely beautiful. So I hope that you guys learned a lot from this video. And of course, if you make any recreations or like do anything with picsart, please hit me up in the DMs. I would love to see your recreations. Hit me up anyways in the DMs. If you don't recreate it, I would still love to talk to you. Anyways, I hope you guys like this picture. Let's get into the outro. That is my video on picsart. I hope that you learned something. I hope that you download picsart and start making your pictures really fun and cool. So I hope that you guys were inspired by this video. And of course, if you make any recreations, my DMs are always open. If you have any questions or just to send me like your finished product, I would love to see it. So yeah, make sure you guys follow me on Instagram to keep up with everything over there. See all of my art and stuff in action. I post like little sneak peeks and like fun stuff on my stories all the time. So stay up to date with that on there, and subscribe and thumbs up this video if it was helpful for you and you want to see more content like this. And of course, send me your video requests because I get like 90% of my video ideas from you guys. So thank you so much. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.